The electronic visa, e-visa, application system was launched on the 17th of April 2013 by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the Republic of Turkey. This system allows visitors traveling to Turkey to easily obtain their e-visas online, www.ibisa.gov.tr, in approximately 3 minutes. It is possible to obtain e-visa 724 at everywhere with internet connection. The applicants can obtain their visa after they fill in the necessary information concerning their identity, passport and travel dates and pay visa fee online. Please note that e-visa is only valid when the purpose of travel is tourism or commerce. For other purposes, such as work and study, visas are given by Turkish embassies or consulates. For Ibisa application, you have to go to Ibisa website of Turkey, which is ibisa.gov.tr. 3 steps to get Ibisa. Apply Ibisa. Make payment. Download Ibisa. This is very quick and convenient. You will get your Ibisa instantly, which you can download and print after your payment. Select country or region you are applying from. After that, passport type normally is going to be ordinary passport. Then enter the security word correctly. After that, proceed for next step. The next step is selecting your travel date. E-visa condition of Turkey is, visa validity is 180 days from the date of travel which you have to given in this stage. And you cannot stay more than 30 days of any of your visit. Once you confirmed your entry date, click from the calendar and confirm and proceed further. Turkey visit visa cost now is $43, but can change every time. Proceed with the amount that's shown in this screen. Next stage about declaration of your travel. That's my passport covers the period that I will be staying in Turkey. I can prove that I hold a return ticket, hotel reservation and at least $50 per each day of my stay. I am traveling for the purposes of tourism or business. I have a valid supporting document, valid visa or valid residence permit from one of the Schengen countries, USA, UK or Ireland. E-visas are not accepted as supporting documents. I confirm that I meet each and every one of the conditions listed above. For UK visa holder, you have to choose share code updated and you need to print the share code to show it to the immigration officer. Next step about the personal information. As it shows in the screen. For UK visa holder, use Ibisa and use expiry date of your share code. Follow the questions and fill the details accordingly.
Once you verified, you will get a link to your email. Click the link to confirm. Pay the appropriate amount. After that you can download your evisa.